Join me for the next 90 seconds while I prove to you why you can't beat traffic. Now, just coming up over my right shoulder in a second now, you're going to see a white four-wheel drive moving through. There he is there. Now, there's a black car up ahead of me, so what's going to happen, he's going to go through, and now he's going to start to accelerate to come right up behind the black car. I'm going to back off on the gas now, give a little bit of brake because I want to drop off the back of the black car because I know he's going to do a lane change to the left. There he goes across the left because he's looking for the gap in front of me. These are the guys that are always driving for the gap. They see a gap, they want to go. Now you see him drive up the road, and a little bit later you'll see him lane change to the right. So I'm going to speed the video up now so you can watch what's going on here, so I don't bore you to death with a good 4 or 5 minute drive. You can see how he's weaving his way through traffic. Now, you can't beat traffic. You can try all you like, you can zigzag through, but you'll always be stopped at the next red light, just like the rest of us. So we're coming through now, we're heading up onto the lights. Lanes are going to split open any second now, so as the lanes open up, I'm going to move over to the left-hand lane, far left, going through the lights. Now as I come up the lights, there he is on the right. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just remember out there, chill out, take your time, leave a gap. Driving is easy. We make it difficult.